These are two travel backpacks from Inateck. First, the Rolltop Backpack, which expands from 22 to 26.8 liters, and second, the Lightweight Travel Backpack, offering 38.5 liters of space at just 1 kilogram. Both feature a convenient 180-degree opening, a separate padded laptop compartment, and plenty of useful features. I'm happy that Inateck sent them to me for free, so I could test them and share my honest opinion with you. Sounds good, right? But before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video and subscribe here to my channel, so you won't miss any future product reviews. Thanks a lot. Let's kick things off with the Inateck Rolltop Backpack BP01009. I already like the stylish Inateck branding, by the way. The packaging comes with, but let's open the package. Let's get rid of all this plastic, and here we go. Alright, let's check this out. This is the Rolltop Backpack from Inateck, and right out of the box it already feels super sleek. Okay, first impression, I really like the slim, modern design, especially this X buckle on the front that gives it kind of a clean, urban look. The material feels lightweight but durable, and it's got a bit of a glossy splash-proof finish. Looks and feels premium. Let's open it. Yep, this is the Rolltop style, so when it's rolled up like this, you get about 22 liters of space. Perfect for everyday stuff like your laptop, tablet, power bank, water bottle. Basically your daily work or school gear. And when you unroll it like this, you can actually expand it to 26.8 liters. That gives you enough room for clothes a few days. It even meets most of the airlines' carry-on size standards. But before you bring it on a plane, do your own research. So you're good to go for a weekend trip or short business travel. Nice, let's take a look inside. Oh cool, the main compartment opens up all the way 180 degrees with a double zipper. Super easy to pack, and these mesh pockets are great for organizing smaller stuff. There's a quick access pocket right up front, ideal for travel documents or anything you need to grab on the go. Okay, back here, yep, this is the padding laptop compartment. Should fit up to a 16-inch device, nice and snug. And here on the side, oh that's clever, a vertical pocket for smaller items like a power bank, charging cable or your earbuds. I also think my Osmo Pocket 3 and DJI mic should fit in here. That's awesome, so I can grab it fast whenever I need it. Okay, what else? What's this? Oh, this is very practical. This little cable opening is built into the side in soft rubber, so you can charge your device through a power bank without digging into your bag. Alright, checking the zippers now. They're waterproof, at least on the main and laptop compartments here. That's definitely a plus if you get caught in the rain. On the back there is a hidden pocket for your wallet or passport, and yep, there are reflective strips here and on the shoulder straps too. That's a nice safety touch for nighttime. Let's have a look at the straps. Okay, they've got this S-shaped design that fits nicely on the shoulders, and there's a removable chest strap too. Apparently this triple load reduction thing combines elastic webbing and the shape to make it more comfortable for long wear. Seems to be really well balanced so far, and yeah, here on the back there's the luggage strap, so you can slide it over your suitcase handle. Super handy when traveling. Oh, and I almost forgot, on the opposite side of the vertical compartment there's even an elastic bottle holder where you can easily fit a large water bottle, which is super handy for longer trips. Okay, I think I've checked every detail of the first bag, so now let's have a look at the second one. Inateck sent me the BP03009 Lightweight Travel Backpack. This one comes in a more neutral packaging, so let's open this up. Alright, and let's also get rid of this plasticky stuff. And here we go. You can immediately tell this travel backpack is light indeed. Alright, let's get into it. This thing weighs just 1 kilogram, but it still feels really solid. Okay, let's take a closer look. The shoulder straps have that ergonomic S shape again. Nice. And You also get the chest strap and waist strap, both removable. So yeah, this one's definitely built for comfort, especially if you're carrying it on longer trips or hikes. Now let's check the size. Looks roomy. According to the specs, it holds 38.5 liters and the whole thing measures 53 by 33 by 22 centimeters. That should fit most airline carry-on requirements, but as always, double check before you fly just to be sure. There's a dedicated laptop sleeve. Yep, it's padded and it fits up to a 17-inch laptop. Plus, you've got room for a tablet like an iPad Air or Pro, around 11 to 13 inches with accessories. Super practical. Let's take a closer look at the other side. This one here is a mesh zip compartment, perfect for a charger or anything similar. Right above that, you've got two more separate pockets, great for cables or small accessories. And at the very top, there are even some elastic bands for SD cards or again, more cables if needed. Okay, what else? There's a luggage strap on the back, so you can slide it onto your suitcase when you're traveling, very handy. And up here on the front and even on the shoulder strap, there are quick access pockets. These are perfect for things like sunglasses, earbuds, tissues, whatever you want to reach without digging through the main bag. Security-wise, this is great too. The main zipper and the laptop compartment zippers are lockable with your own padlock. There's also a hidden back pocket for valuable things like your wallet or passport. And yes, I see some reflective strips here too. Always a nice safety touch for traveling at night. Oh, and look at this, an expandable water bottle pocket on the side. I already like this feature on the other bag. So let's have a look inside. Look at that space. I would say you can easily pack your stuff for 2 to 4 days. Plus, check out these pockets here. You can also store your cables, chargers or toiletries safely without mixing them with the main compartment stuff. So yeah, this one is clearly designed with travel in mind. Lightweight, secure, easy to carry and super practical for weekend trips, business travel or even just daily commuting. Alright, so basically that's it. I think there's only one question left. Which one's right for you? Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Alright, I know I use the Rolltop Backpack for shorter trips and the Lightweight Travel Bag more as a substitute or add-on for my carry-on flight trolley. But that's just me. I hope you will find the use case that fits your best. And one more thing, the price. Both of these usually go for around 80 euros or dollars, but you can often find discounts on Amazon like the ones you see here right now. I think that's more than a fair price for what you get. I will drop my Amazon affiliate links to both in the description, just in case you want to check them out. That said, if you enjoyed that video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing here to my channel. It would mean the world to me and you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to keep watching, I've got another cool video for you right here. Thanks for tuning in, stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one.